Is your Windows PC running slow? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to clear your system cache and instantly boost your speed. It's fast, safe, and you don't need any software. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type temp and hit enter. A folder will open with a lot of temporary files. Select everything and delete it. These files are safe to remove. Windows doesn't need them anymore. Now repeat the same step. Press Windows plus R, type %temp% and hit enter. Select all files again and delete them. This simple step can free up a lot of space. Next, press Windows plus R one more time. Type prefetch and click Continue if Windows asks for permission. This folder stores old launch data. Select everything inside and delete it. Clearing this helps Windows load apps faster. Now let's clean up deeper system files. Go to Settings, then System, and then Storage. Make sure Storage Sense is turned on. Then click Temporary Files. Check the boxes for Delivery Optimization Files, System Cache, and Temporary Files. Now click Remove Files. Windows will automatically clean everything safely. Finally, let's clear your browser cache. Open Chrome or Edge. Press Ctrl, Shift, Delete. Choose Cached Images and Files. Then click Clear Data. This helps websites load faster and smoother. Your PC should now feel faster instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching.